Sea moss is good for the brain. Chips can harm brain health. Sea moss is good for the skin, but chocolate can negatively affect it. Sea moss supports strong bones. Soda can weaken them. Sea moss is good for the eyes, but donuts can be bad for them. Sea moss boosts immunity, but fast food lowers it. Sea moss improves digestion, while sugary cereals can disrupt it. Sea moss aids in detoxifying the body, but processed snacks can add toxins. Sea moss enhances energy levels, whereas energy drinks lowers it. If nature didn't make it, don't take it.